Welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. I'm Christine, and I'm here in Valencia, Spain, where I've been doing quite a bit of fabric thrifting. So today I thought I would share some of my most recent finds, as well as a couple of new fabrics I've received from Minerva. So let's start with the Minerva fabrics first, because I will definitely link them below in case you're interested in checking any of them out further. The first is this gorgeous cotton sateen. So this is a new fabric weight that they're carrying. And honestly, I had never sewn with cotton sateen that I knew of. So I didn't really know what to expect when I ordered it. I kind of thought it was gonna feel more like a cotton poplin. So when it arrived, I was so pleasantly surprised because this fabric, the weight of it, is like, it's definitely like a cotton lawn in the lightness of it. Like it just is like light as a feather, but in your hand, it feels satiny. Kind of hard to explain, but it is perfect for summer. Super lightweight, very soft, nice drape. It does wrinkle just a bit because it's 100% cotton there. You can just kind of see how I had crumpled it in my hand. But I kind of like the wrinkles. I think it just with the softness, it looks really beautiful. So this is one of their signature prints, abstract with a little tropical. I see a banana there to me. It looks like a banana, bold colors. I've already whipped up a Mercer top out of this fabric. I did a little black metal heart button on the back, which I just love. So I have the Mercer top, and then I've also cut out a pair of shorts. I'm going to do a little coordinating set. Maybe I'll wear them as separates. But I thought the cord set would be really fun for summer. And while we're on the topic of fabrics from Minerva, I'm actually wearing the dress I made several months ago out of the jersey. This is that gorgeous jersey that I made a video. I actually hacked my basic t-shirt pattern into the dress, lengthened it with slits, and I did a video about it. This dress is definitely having its moment now that the weather has gotten really warm. It feels so good on the body and is nice and cool. I'm also wearing my feather upcycle earrings, which honestly I love. I feel like I wear them all the time because they're light as a feather in my ear, and I feel like they kind of elevate any outfit that I'm wearing. Just a basic navy dress, kind of make it a little bit more fancy. Okay, the last fabric from Minerva I want to show you is this green, military green slub viscose. It does have a bit of stretch, which I thought was so curious. I never really have worked with a viscose, like a viscose challis with stretch. So this is going to be interesting. The color isn't quite showing up. I mean, maybe there. It's definitely a really beautiful green in person. It has like a richness to the military green. It's quite lightweight and sheer. So what I'm planning to make out of this is a Ludlow romper, which is one of my patterns. But I wanted to do kind of a hack, and I envisioned when I picked the fabric out, doing a Ludlow romper with some little epaulettes at the shoulder and maybe some pocket details just to make it a little bit more military inspired. But I'm a little concerned because it's quite lightweight. Let me show you just one layer. I mean, hello, I can pretty much see through. But on the body, I don't think it's going to be quite as sheer. We're going to try, and I'll definitely let you know how it goes. Okay, now on to some of my thrifted finds. So these are definitely very satisfying. The first one I want to show you is this, it looks like a men's shirting, but the cool thing I wanted to show you was when I got home, I realized that there was a tag hidden here. And I actually looked up the company that is on the tag. It's called Rio Pele, and it's actually a manufacturer based in Portugal. And further down on the tag, it says the customer is Hugo Boss. So this fabric makes sense that, you know, Hugo Boss being I know they do a lot of men's suiting. So there's about 3 meters here. And yeah, I think it's really good quality. It says that it is 67% cotton, 29 poly, 4 elastin. So a poly cotton stretch. And 3 yards is plenty to do something. Wouldn't this be such a cool shirt dress? Like if I did kind of long simple, but maybe with some gathering or ruching details or something. I just really loved this one, and I thought it was such a fun find. Being able to look up the manufacturer and just kind of see what was going on over there in Portugal. The next fabric I picked up, and I wasn't sure if it was a silk or a polyester, but look at how gorgeous this is. So I did a burn test. I took a lighter to just a tiny little scrap, and I think it's actually silk. I just love, love, love the deepness of the green and the beautiful, beautiful pattern. Definitely gives me Dolce & Gabbana, Emilio Pucci kind of vibes with the print. So this is going to be stashed away until the fall. I think I'm going to make some kind of really beautiful blouse out of it. Only about 1.5 yards of it. So perfect for a little fall blouse. The next fabric is this fun print. I think it's actually a viscose. It kind of has the feel of like a cotton lawn, but it's too drapey to be a cotton lawn. And so that gives me the indication that it's probably some kind of viscose, maybe even polyester. It does have some strings. So I don't know exactly what it is. Maybe it is a polyester, but it's really, really soft. It's nice and drapey. So some kind of summer blouse or dress is gonna be made out of this. Look how pretty the print is. The next fabric came from the same table as the Hugo Boss cut. So I don't know if this is maybe from a similar type of manufacturer. Feels very Italian Riviera summer to me. And I think some kind of chic summer dress, maybe with some puffed sleeves and like a full skirt would be just lovely out of this. Kind of an odd yellow, I will admit. It's not like a lemon yellow. It's a little bit of like a green yellow. But I think it's going to make a really beautiful dress and will probably feel nice too in the summer. Next up, I'm going to share some duvet covers and sheets that I picked up that are definitely better served as clothes in my opinion. The first is this duvet cover. I want to show you the inside. It's really, really, really lightweight, almost like a voile. See how lightweight it is? I think what I'm going to make from this, I think I'm actually going to make it later today, is a two-piece set. And I'm going to use my Manhattan pattern for the top, for the blouse, but I'm going to shorten it just above my natural waist. And then I'm just going to make a skirt, a long kind of maxi skirt with a slit up the side, elastic waist. And that's going to be my two-piece set. I'm so excited to make it. I hope it turns out. I will definitely keep you posted. I might actually do a video on it as well. But yeah, this one was a really interesting find. I think there's something about the sheerness of it to me that makes it unique. And next up, I have a really, really pretty sheet that is definitely going to be pajamas. It's just this nice, fine cotton with these pink bows on it. Definitely going to make a cute mulberry pajama pattern, which is my newest pattern. I am good on pajamas for the moment, but this is definitely going to make such a cute pajama. And another sheet that I found are these adorable, adorable strawberries. I just think they're so cute. A gingham, like gingham piping, gingham shorts, a little bit of maybe like the green for rickrack around a blouse or something. I just think would be so, so cute. Next up is a tablecloth that I really wanted to show you because I was so amazed at the detailing of it. So I have no idea what I would make of this yet, but I just wanted to have it in my stash. Look at how these daisies are done. So there is a little bit of damage there that I could definitely fix, but I think these are made from rickrack, white rickrack that's been crocheted, or maybe this is, I think it might be like tatting. I don't know. I would love to also research kind of what some of these handwork techniques are, but I was fascinated by this with the rickrack daisies, and the white and the blue I thought was so beautiful. It's a rather large tablecloth. It is damaged a bit and stained. So, probably its days of being a tablecloth are past, but that doesn't mean that I can't kind of cut around it to make something very, very beautiful and special. So next up with some 70s vibe is this towel, or maybe it's a small tablecloth. I'm not totally sure. Look at these colors. I cannot not be happy when I see these type of prints. I recently, well, in my one of my last fabric haul videos, I think I showed you this tablecloth that I had found, and I ended up using just a bit of it for these cute shorts, which I absolutely love. They're really, really comfortable and just so fun in this print. So in that sort of style, I thought, maybe I could do some little shorts out of this, or a little, like some kind of top. I just thought the print was so, so, so fun. And last but not least is a really, really pretty one I couldn't not show you. I think that it is a small tablecloth for one of those small little round tables. And the way it's faded over time with like the seam allowances under, kind of get this variegated color effect. Like this leaf is just a little lighter here. And I know it's from age, it's a fade, but I just think it adds so much to the beauty. It's one of those perfect examples of how things just get more beautiful with age. Look at those gorgeous, gorgeous flowers. I just think they're elegant and lovely and beautiful with just, the subtle little yellow. So it does have some stains. I think that I will probably try to soak this one in OxyClean as well, to see if I can get some of those to come out. I think maybe I will. I did make a robe a couple weeks back out of a similar sized tablecloth that I absolutely love. And this could be very fun. I had placed like this design on the sleeves, and then did the corners as little pockets. So I think I could definitely do the same with this. It has the little hand done trim along the edge. I mean, her stitches were so beautiful and even. It's just so beautifully done. So yeah, that's the little tablecloth. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, definitely hit the subscribe button. I will be doing more videos in the future about the actual things that I've made from these and other fabrics from my previous fabric hauls, so definitely stay tuned. And as always, you can shop my patterns over at sewingandthecity.com. And thank you so much for watching. I will see you next time. Okay, bye.